Hello, and welcome back to BK42. I am excited today since I just received a weird box in the mail. I'm not sure what's inside, but I can't wait to find out. Let's crack it open together. That's cool. It's the Vanpower City Vanture electric bicycle. I still can't believe it. The bike was sent entirely disassembled like a massive Lego set. But that's okay, because I love DIY projects and this will be a lot of fun to put together. There's no need to be concerned about anything getting damaged in transit because everything is securely packaged in a variety of boxes. I have to say that putting this bike together is a lot like playing with Legos, but on a much greater size. It's challenging and thrilling, and I'm having a great time putting it together. The components are of excellent quality, and everything fits together well. Before we continue, let's take a moment to pause and emphasize the importance of carefully reading and following the user manual's instructions when assembling the City Venture e-bike. Although the process is rather simple, it is crucial to follow the instructions to ensure a safe and successful assembly. Now let's return to the second step of the assembly. Alright folks, now that we've got the frame all put together, it's time to start adding the finishing touches to our brand new bike. Let's start by attaching the wheels, saddle, crankset, pedals, kickstand, and the provided accessories. But before you hop on and take it for a spin, it's important to make sure that everything is tightened up properly. Give each screw and bolt a good once-over to ensure that everything is securely fastened. And don't forget to check the tires to make sure they're properly inflated too. And there you have it. The Vanpower City Vanture electric bicycle is finally finished, and it looks fantastic. The bike is not only stylish and sleek, but it also has features such as a powerful motor, a long-lasting battery, and an easy-to-use integrated display. Overall, assembling the Vanpower City Vanture electric bicycle was a very enjoyable and satisfying experience for me. It's ideal for anyone who enjoys DIY projects. Remember to carefully read and follow the steps provided in the user manual to guarantee a safe and successful assembly.
Hey, it's Dom here. Before we wrap up this video, I want to remind you to stick around until the end to catch every step of BK42's bike assembly, presented at a normal pace and accompanied by some relaxing background music. And don't forget to leave your thoughts on Vanpower's DIY bike assembly in the comments section below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.